Hi, I'm Dr. David Stoker, board-certified plastic surgeon in Los Angeles. And today I wanted to talk to you a little bit about plastic surgery after weight loss and share with you one of my favorite cases. 44-year-old woman who lost approximately 130 pounds following bariatric surgery. And she had a severe excess amount of skin pretty much from head to toe. This was a big case and it required a two-staged approach. It's really important for a surgeon to know how much we can do at one time and still be safe. Stage number one was a circumferential lower body lift. That is a big operation that is basically a waistline incision, kind of where you would wear your belt, all the way around 360 degrees. It starts out with a buttocks lift and a lateral thigh lift, and it migrates around to the front to become a large extended abdominoplasty and pubic lift. If you check out the before and after pictures, first of all, there's a ton of scarring on her lower abdomen that we got rid of and removed square yards of extra skin from her. That's right, square yards. We didn't perform an inner thigh lift on her, but check out those inner thighs. It's incredible how by pulling very hard with our pubic lift from that waistline incision, I was able to lift and smooth the inner thighs. The second stage for her was also a big one. It included an arm lift, a breast lift, and essentially a circumferential upper body lift. What does that mean? It means, imagine if she's wearing a bra all the way around her circumference. We started with a breast lift, but she has a very large amount of excess skin hanging off her sides. It's almost as though her breasts extend all the way around her back. I removed all of that. We tightened the arms by removing all of the extra skin and some of the extra fat that was unwanted. And it allowed me to really highlight each of the procedures that I perform commonly in post-weight loss surgery. If you look at her buttocks, again, super impressive in the way it lifted, tightened, smoothed out the skin, all of it with incisions that are beautifully positioned right where they can be concealed underneath her bikini. And that is highly relevant because now she likes to surf.